In an interview with NAMPA on Wednesday, City Police Superintendent Maria Muyomba said they have set up roadblocks around the city to minimize social contacts while people are traveling in the city and to see to it that essential service providers have the necessary permits, allowing them to attend duties during the lockdown period.
What we have realized is people are not really on lockdown. Lockdown means staying at home. You only move if it's really necessary. If you are in essential service, you are allowed to move. If you are going to a doctor or seeking medical attention, you are allowed to move. If you are going to the shop, yes, to the bank. But then it should be, if we are three in the house, all three of us cannot go. At least one person can go, and that person can probably get the necessities that the other people need in the house.
Muyomba added that persons should not exercise in groups exceeding 3 people, and when they exercise at a venue, there should always be social distance. She urged essential service providers to carry permits that indicate that they are allowed to move whenever they are going on duty from their respective residence. The employers of essential service providers should make sure their employees have the necessary documents, noted Muyomba.
This is a serious pandemic that we need to take it serious. The more we adhere, probably the more the lockdown can be removed. But if we are not adhering, who knows what can happen to the lockdown? So all we are saying is, let's try to adhere to the set rules. At least we are still given an opportunity. We can go to the shops, we can go to the banks, we can go to the hospital. That should be enough.
Muyomba said public transport such as taxis are allowed to move around, but the driver should only load 3 people, excluding the driver at a time, for social distancing, and if a taxi is found with more than 3 passengers, necessary steps will be taken.
The regulations make provision for those that are transgressing, they can be charged. The fine is 2,000 or 6 months imprisonment or both. But what we are trying to do now, especially with the extension, at least the extension was yesterday, so what we are trying to do, we want to bring more education. Then after education, that's now where we need to go seriously. If people are not adhering to, then unfortunately the law need to take its course.
Josephina Simeon, NAMPA News.